I initially decided to come to Fit2Function because I had a pain in my knee, had a knee issue. I'm quite an active person, so I do jogging sort of daily, bi-daily. I play football 2 to 3 times a week, and this knee issue was hampering that. I just decided to take some action and see somebody about it. I met George initially, got on with him quite well. He was quite friendly, quite personable. He asked a lot of questions, and he had a look at my knee, had a look at my leg. I think within sort of 10-15 minutes, he identified that it was a scar tissue issue. From there, I felt pretty comfortable, pretty relaxed and sort of in good hands. George had put some treatment in place on that day, and it really helped sort of coming out of the clinic. The inflammation had gone down, and within a couple of days or so, felt a lot more comfortable sort of walking and being mobile. He gave me a 6-week program via app, and he had tailored daily treatments of working on strength and conditioning and sort of basic knee exercises. And I would come in weekly just to check up, see how I was going, and then we would do some treatment here as well. I think it was within the 3rd week, pain had pretty much gone from like a 10 to a 3. Before I was struggling, sort of walking upstairs, going downstairs. And then on that 3rd week, I wasn't even thinking about it. It was just sort of happening, and it was a really big improvement. Wasn't expecting recovery to be as quick as it was. I had had the injury for about a year and hadn't done anything about it just because I just felt it was something that was either chronic or it would just eventually get better, and it didn't, and it was just incredibly frustrating. I kind of got used to it, which is a bad sort of space to be in, where you just sort of accept that you've got like a hobble essentially. George and I have monthly checkups to keep on top of it. It's a comfortable spot to be in, and just knowing that if I do have any issues, there's somebody that I can speak to quite quickly. I sort of see it as almost like security. It would be very easy to not come back here, and then if something was to happen, then you almost have to come back to first base. If I do ever have any other injuries or ailments, Fit2Function would be the first place I would come to. And I would do it quite quickly as well, knowing what I know now, that I don't have to suffer for a year when treatment and recovery can improve me in a matter of weeks.